Hey you guys, Jeannie here and welcome back to my channel. So I know how much you guys love my first impression and review videos, so I have a new item for you guys. Well, it's new to me because I just picked it up today and it's from Physicians Formula. So currently CVS has a killer deal. Next week CVS has a killer deal. If you haven't printed your $4 off one coupon, definitely print that. You can also send a 4 off 1 coupon to your CVS app. If you don't know how to use CVS app, then I'm going to go ahead and link that for you below. I have a video explaining it. But today I'm going to be doing a first impression and review of the Physicians Formula Cocktail Layering Mascara. So this is what it looks like. So it's priced for $14.99 at CVS. I used that 4 off 1 coupon from coupons.com. So I ended up paying $10.99 and then I got a $10 extra care buck. So I made this guy just $4.99. So it is a 3-in-1 mascara. So it has 2 formulas, 2 brushes. So one is supposed to lengthen, one is supposed to volumize, and then when you put them both together, it is a lengthening and volumizing product. So what is it? A cocktail inspired customizable duo for 2 different formulas with 2 different brushes designed to mix and match for the ultimate length, volume, and full dramatic lashes. Why it's good for you. Be your own mixologist and personalize your lashes with this 3-in-1 powerhouse mascara enriched with lash-loving ingredients to strengthen and condition lashes. Key ingredients, we have vitamin E, seaweed, B5. So, okay, directions. Apply volume side for filler and, okay, apply volume side for fuller and voluminous lashes, length side for long and perfect lashes, or combine both volume and length for dramatic lashes. So, okay, I'm gonna bring you guys in really close. Please ignore this right here. Oh my goodness. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's pimples. I don't know if it's bug bites. It's something gnarly on my face and I like cannot get rid of it. So if you're like a nurse or a dermatologist, help a girl out. But I have a phone appointment with Kaiser tomorrow. So, okay. So this is the packaging right here. First off, I love the sleekness of the packaging. It has like, it looks silver, but then it also looks kind of like pink as well. And I think that it's super, super beautiful. So, okay, so I'm gonna do the mix of everything. So I'm gonna do the mix of both. So I'm gonna do one side with the mascara and one side without. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this. And this is in the shade black. I normally go with black brown, but I'm going black today. Okay. Let's go in. All right, so this is supposed to be the, what side is this again? Length. Okay, so this is supposed to be lengthening the lashes. And I love a good mascara because you could get away with a no makeup look as long as your brows are tamed and a little mascara, and it just opens the eye so much. Okay, so this is one coat. And anytime you get like flakes up here, wait for it to dry because then it'll just go ahead and just like flake off. Okay, so this is the lengthening. So one side is the lengthening and the other side is not. And I think I have pretty long lashes to begin with, but yeah, I definitely can see that it did some lengthening. And this is just one coat, you guys. So let's see, let's bust it open and see. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the volume. So let's add some more volume onto these lashes. Okay, we're doing a mix. And again, this is just one coat, you guys. I'm usually not a fan of Physicians Formula mascara, for the record. I haven't been a fan of their mascaras, but this is pretty good, you guys. All right, you be the, whoa, look at that. It legit looks like I have false lashes on. Wow, that's amazing. Yes, I'm a fan. All right, so let's just even it out and do the other side. Okay. Oh, wow. I'm impressed. Huh, okay. Okay, Physicians Formula. Wow. Okay. Holy smokes. Look at that. It looks like I legit have fake lashes on. Wow. See, like I said, wait for it to dry and then it's good to go. Whoa. Okay. I'm just gonna do the bottom as well. I always like to lengthen my bottom lashes. I don't like to volumize them. Wow. I am impressed. Wow, you guys, look at that. Amazing, amazing Physicians Formula. Let's just get you guys out. Wow. It legit looks like I have like fake eyelashes on. This is amazing, amazing. So 10 out of 10 Physicians Formula, yes. And again, this is called the Physicians Formula Cocktail Layering Mascara. So this is priced for $14.99 over at CVS. If you still have those printable 4-off-1s, print them. You could send one to your CVS card. And then you get a $10 extra care buck. And if you have a $10 extra buck to roll, then this is free. So amazing. So I would highly suggest you check out your Physicians Formula Lash Mixology. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I have a CVS in-store deal video that highlights all the other deals of CVS starting the 7th. So if you like saving money, then definitely subscribe to my channel on the way out and take a look at my CVS in-store deals that I actually did in downtown San Diego. So if you want to check out the sights of San Diego and see the deals, then definitely check out that video. So let me know in the comment section below if there's something else at the drugstore that you would like me to go ahead and test out for you guys, because I absolutely would love to do that. And I will talk to you all later. Bye.